On the left side is GPV. We are not interested in that, but on the right side is a risk premium one. So as we can see, it is checking almost 60%, which will have only 40% left for c-betting. So it's pretty low c-bet number basically for 3-bet pot, right? As you can see, there is first like big difference comparing to GPV and risk premium. Like if you play the same ranges with GPV, we just need to check everything. Basically, we need to check like almost 80%, right? Because his huge equity favorite as we saw before, right? So the thing is now when we have risk premium and when we go with these ranges with super polar ranges against a strong calling range, we can increase our betting frequency, but we still need to be careful. We still need to do a lot of checking as yeah, population definitely see but yeah, for sure. And also like with inflated range with blood, so like we should really punish this spot, guys.